Morning YouTube. Right, today I'm just going to do a very quick run through of what I'm taking on the coast to coast. The coast to coast will be done for Birmingham's Children's Hospital. And let's have a quick run through of what I'm taking. So we'll start off, this is the actual pack. Ted. Sorry about the dog. Right, this is actual pack. This is Atom Packs, the Atom Pack Plus. Chose to get the extra pockets, and I think I've got them for the Y strap as well. But what we'll do is, like I said, this is just a quick run through of what I'm taking. So, right, Ted's going to introduce you to the tech. Oh no, he's not. He's going off. Right, this is the tech that I'll be taking on the coast to coast. Let's go through it individually. So obviously we've got the Mavic Mini 2. We've got a charging cable for the iPhone. We've got a solar panel which will be charging permanently to whatever it's attached to. We've also got another cable which is USB-C, Lightning, and I believe if I undo that, there's another USB. It's also Lightning and USB-A, or USB Mini, sorry. Ted, do me a favour, darling. Just do one. Right, got some SD cards and a way of transferring it from my phone to the SD card. Two 20,000 milliamp battery power packs. My glasses, because I am, well, my eyesight's crap. I've got a nice plug there. Ted, come on, do me a favour, mate. I've got, Jesus Christ. I've got a nice little tripod. And I've got a cheap pair of headphones, which are just sport ones, so sick of them falling off my ears. And alright, so that's the tech in which I will be taking. Right, moving on, we've got my med kit and, let's say, miscellaneous kit. So we'll start off with, I've got some talcum powder, some pills, ibuprofen, naproxen, and some get lost ear defenders. And then we've got my torch, which is a pencil bindi, a little toothbrush, some toothpaste, and these rubber heel things because I suffer with plantar fasciitis. Next we've got some expanding, they're like an expanding cloth, add a little bit of water to it and it expands, and you can use them for anything. K-tape, which I'll be using for blisters or to just hold them back. Also it'll help me out with, you know, certain muscles. So I'm hoping that'll come in handy. Next, that's not what you think. That's just, I've just bought an extra bottle just so I can put some suntan lotion in. We've then got some hand sanitizer. And this is something I was given at work, which is a Cpr Face Shield. Yeah, it's exactly what it is. It's during COVID, obviously, you know, people have invented new things, and this seems to be one of them. So instead of having to literally kiss someone or literally put mouth to mouth, it kind of shields them against you and you shielded against them. So that's quite cool. I'll try and get that out of the pack during the journey so you can see. Going on from that, I've got a little poo kit, which is basically toilet roll and bags. I'm not going to be digging a hole. I'm going to be taking it out with me. And then I've got some Vaseline just to cure any hot spots, and, you know, all good from that because it works a treat. I've got this canister. It is of like mosquito, but I'm going to be using it to roll my foot on. Nothing really much more to say about that, just rolling my foot on. Spare laces, they're a must. Ex-army crap, you know. And then I may be taking the old Coast to Coast Walk book, which was given to me by a bloke at work who found it on the walk when he'd done it himself. So, I believe the person that had this previously had done everything on it. It was quite amazing, really. So that's who this book really does belong to. So if you know him, get in touch. Right, let's move on to clothing. I'm taking some leggings, just to keep the old ticks away from my legs. I'm taking a Helly Hansen, Ted, please. Just a Helly Hansen long sleeve, just protect me from the sun again. And then I'm taking a thermal for night time. Taking a nice crag hopper jacket, so crag hopper down jacket, and a neck scarf, just to a neck gaiter, just to keep a little bit more sun off me yet again. Waterproofs, I'm taking the OMM Halo trousers and jacket. And down from that, I'm just taking a nice thin t-shirt and also Birmingham Hospital charity t-shirt. I'm up, Ted. So 2 pairs of step ones, which I'll be wearing 1 pair as well. And I'm also taking 3 pairs of socks, which are YUEDGE. If you can get these on Amazon, they're $5 for about $16.99, I think, something like that. They're really good actually, so they've been tried and tested plenty of times. So next we've got, my tent system, which will be a hiking pole tent with the 3FUL gear, Lanshan 1 Pro and pegs. These are nice lightweight pegs. I think we've all seen what they are. They're the little thin red ones. But I have got another kind of peg in there, which is like a ground spike, which is really cool. I'll show more of them when I'm on the journey. Next we have my sleep system. So sleep system is the Alpkit Pipe Dream 200. If I do get cold during the night, I will be wearing obviously my down jacket. I've got the Alpkit sit mat, which is just torso. I've cut it down so it's just covering my torso. And then the main thing obviously I'll be using is the Thermarest Neo-Air Exolite, which these are outstanding. But I'm a big bloke, so I've had to choose the extra large. And that will all be going into this bag here, which is the bag that comes with the... it doesn't come with it, you have to buy it separately. I think it's only about £3, but if you order one of the Atom Packs pack, obviously it will come with it, but you've got to, like I said, you've got to order extra. Going on to food and drink. So I'm taking 2 large 800ml bottles, down with a little separate one which will sit in my front pack. From that, obviously I've got the soya squeeze or soya mini, so that I'll obviously filtrate into, use that as my bottle to filtrate into the big ones. So I've got dirty water in one and obviously recycled nice clean water in the other. Taking 100ml gas bottle with a little lighter, fits underneath, it's perfect. And a little rag just to keep my 550 Tokes canister nice and empty. Canister? Mug. And nice and clean. The stand for the gas. And then moving on for that, I've obviously got the MSR Pocket Rocket, which is brilliant, nice lightweight kind of cook system. I've got some coffee with some sugar inside, just keep some energy up. I think I've got about 4 or 5 cups of coffee in there. My little spoon, which is a 4 class from Decathlon. Nice and lightweight, nice and long. A few little meals, curries and green curries, and some soups, and just a few gels, just to keep me going for the first couple of days till I can restock en route. So from that, let's go to the Atoms pack. So this is the Atoms pack. This is the 40 plus custom. So you get to choose exactly what colours you want. Also comes with a nice hip belt. Custom, I've asked them to have the 2 pouches on the front. Also, I've paid for the 2 other little hip belt pouches, which are really quite cool as well. And I've added my own little compass to it as well. So the Atom Packs roughly goes in at about I think 6,500 grams. Really lightweight, perfect, good build, and yeah, like so. I've also chose the one with the Y harness over the top, or the Y strap, to keep everything. So just one other thing, I'll be taking this coast to coast map. It's waterproof and supposedly crease proof as well, and it's got like a daily route, so should be by rights trying to do this route in one day. So I'll be following that each day. Like I said, I'll be taking my glasses as well because my eyes are shot to... Anyway. Yeah, really good map. Folds out, like I said, to roughly what you should be doing per day. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to using that. So, these were the boots that I was going to take. These were the Solomon's 4D GTX or 4GT. Anyway, these were the boots that I was going to take, but as you can see, piece of glass off. There's split here. There's split on the toe. Bearing in mind, I have been through rivers with these. But they've been a really good boot for the last year and a half. But, you know, they've been caned. So these are the ones that I will be taking on the coast to coast, which is the Hoka Kaya, I believe, something like that. They're great. They've got a nice Vibram sole. They're Gore-Tex and got a really nice wide grip. Let's just hope they don't fall down because that would be really humiliating. But like I said, I've showed you that I'm taking spare laces, so just in case, you never know. Prepping prevents a piss poor performance. But yeah, so that's the last thing added. Let's show everybody what I'm taking. So, like I said, electricals, food, water, cook system, Airmats pack, bag liner, sleeping bag, airbed, sit mat, hiking poles, Lancome 1 Pro, waterproofs, jacket, couple of t-shirts. Remember, I'm doing this for Birmingham's Children's Hospital charity. The link will be in the description. Couple pairs of shorts, couple of tops, warm kit, a few socks, all necessaries. And back to the electricals. So just a little tip, like I said, I'm using the Atom pack. With the Outkit sit mat, I cut it down to size, so it was just torso, but I actually put it in the back of the pack like that, just to add more comfort, and then within the bag on the inside, where all my kit will go. And that is the full setup. Nice and neat. So it took me a while to get all this kit together, but roughly, you know, 6 months of just finding the right kind of kit to take. Yes, you do go down some rabbit holes trying to get lightweight equipment, but I think it's well worth it. Like I quickly just said, link in the description for the charity that I'm doing it for. Link somewhere, down somewhere there. And also the reason why what's pushed me towards doing this, which would be my daughter. So, right, thank you very much for watching. And like I said, stay tuned. I'm not going to ask you to subscribe because I want you to just click through, watch the video and enjoy it. Take some tips. And I think I'll be taking my own tips too. All right, thanks very much. See you soon. Say goodbye, Ted. Bye-bye.